Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to today's maths class. In today's class, let's learn short and long method of division. Take out your maths classwork, write down today's date. As you know very well, division means sharing equally or making equal groups. This is also known as repeated subtraction. So here is the symbol for division. Now divide the following. 12 divided by 2. What you have to do? Start saying the table of 2 till you get answer as 12. You have to stop. For example, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. So the answer is 6. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Next, 25 divided by 5. Shall we? Yes. Start saying table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Next, 16 divided by 4. So you have to tell table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. In same way, 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. 12 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1 gives the number itself as quotient. For example, 12 divided by 1. What is the answer? Yeah, it is 12. Next, 6 divided by 6. Any number divided by itself gives 1 as the quotient. Next, 40 divided by 10. 10 fours are 40. So 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. Short method of division. Here we divide the numbers using reverse multiplication and write the dividend, divisor and quotient as shown in the following example. Example 1, 21 divided by 3. So you have to place numbers this way. So from the multiplication table of 3, we know that 3 sevens are 21. So I am writing the number 7 below 21. So you have to place numbers this way. So here 3 is the divisor, 21 is the dividend, 7 is the quotient. Here is one more example, 36 divided by 4. So you have to say table of 4. 4 nines are 36. So I am placing the number below 36. So here 4 is the divisor, 36 is the dividend, 9 is the quotient. Next, long method of division. Divide 69 by 3. You have to start from the tens place. Divide 6 by 3. So it is 3 twos are 6. Next, what you have to do? Subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next step, draw an arrow and bring 9 down. Okay. Now divide 9 by 3. Okay. Divide 9 by 3. So it is 3 threes are 9. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So here 23 is the quotient, 69 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. Next example, divide 84 by 2. Start from the tens place. Here the number in tens place is 8. Divide 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Now what is the second step? You have to subtract. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next step is to bring 4 down. Okay, now you have to divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now subtract. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 42 is the quotient, 84 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. You have got similar example, 48 divided by 4. So you have to place the numbers. Next, start from the tens place. So the number is 4. 4 ones are 4. Subtract. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next step is to bring 8 down. Okay, is it clear? Next, 4 twos are 8. Subtract. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. As you know very well, 12 is the quotient, 48 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. Now let's learn how to divide 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So you have to place the numbers this way. Okay. Now 164 divided by 2. Here it has got 164 has got 100, 6 tens and 4 ones. Start from the hundreds place. 1 cannot be divided by 2. So we take the tens place also. So it is 16 now. 16 divided by 2. So start telling the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So I have represented using 1 0. Next step is to bring 4 down. Now what you have to do? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now subtract. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. You have got one more example. 255 divided by 2. That is a 3-digit number. As you know very well, 255 has got 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 5 ones. 2 cannot be divided by 5. So what I should do? We take the tens place also. It is 25 now. Next, I have to divide 25 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 25, 5s are 25. Now subtract. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. I am representing with 1 0. Next step is to bring 5 down. Now divide. 5 ones are 5. Now subtract. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So here 5 is the divisor, 51 is the quotient, 225 is the dividend. As we started our revision last week, let's continue. Draw the following figures and mark their face, vertices and edges wherever applicable. First one, it is a cube. So what I have to do? Draw a cube using a scale, mark edge, face and vertex. Next it is cuboid. Use scale for drawing and recall the examples too. Cuboid, mark edge, face and vertex. Use scale so that it looks neat. So next it is cylinder. It has got face and edge. There is no vertex. Next it is cone. Mark the. It has got only one vertex, face and edge. Sphere. There is no edge or vertex. It has got only one curved face. So mark it. That's all for today, children. Bye. Take care.